Today, the topic is about how to do a technical analysis, which we do before entering into a trade before the market opens. Okay. Today, we're going to talk about technical analysis, how to analyze a pair before entering into a trade. Technical analysis is basically you go and look into the chart patterns that are available in the trading view platform through which you are going to come to a bias from which you're going to enter into a trade for buying or selling in the market. Okay, let's go straight into the topic. Today, the pair we are going to analyze is XAU USD. Before analyzing any pair, I would suggest you to check whether high potential news are there in that pair so that in that particular period of time you could be very careful before entering a trade, because this is the particular times where the market is going to produce extreme amount of volume. For example, we are going to look into November 7th, which is today. Today is news. This is the USD news, which is going to be there at 2 p.m. Federal fund rates FOMC statement, which is a high potential news. Which in this time you should not enter into the market, particularly when FOMC is there. The market is going to dance like hell. So be careful on that particular time period. If you are in a trade, come to a conclusion whether to close the position or to secure the position. Do something that is going to save your account from big losses. So be careful while watching. Uh, this is going to give you a clear understanding of what's going to happen. For example, here we are looking at the daily time frame. In daily time frame, let me clear everything else. In daily time frame, we are going to mark daily supports and resistance. Like yes, let's mark everything so that we will get an idea what's going to happen. Okay, when you look at this is daily resistance and support. This is and all. I'm going to teach you a very simple method, but this is the most effective method that is available in the market. I'm not going to throw you a bunch of indicators and all. I'm going to simply help you with this thing. Okay, mark all the support and resistance. Okay, we are looking into this daily closed before the support, so which means the market can sell down further. Okay, and this daily also suggests strongly that it's going to sell down, because this also strongly suggests that market is going to sell. And then we go back to 1 hour time frame. From daily you can jump straight into 1 hour. 4 hour, some people like to do that, but I don't like to do that. In 1 hour you can see we are going to look for certain points or areas where we can enter. I will suggest that we look for liquidity. Liquidity is nothing but some highs that is hunted before the market goes down in the same direction. For the market to go down in a particular direction, it needs some liquidity, right? So uh, the liquidity for today, accurate idea, but this will give you enough data on what's going to happen in the future. I would suggest this high is going to be the today's liquidity and the best price to enter to sell, where we are going to sell. I'm going to suggest you to sell in this area, because this area is the last best price to sell, and this is the liquidity, because people who entered sell here are going to have their stop losses here. So the market basically going to take down the stops here, and then when it goes to the right price, it's going to sell down. Okay, and then you can go to 5 minute time frame, and there you can further analyze and reduce your stops. This is where you're going to reduce your stops. You in this area you have like three zones. What I mean by zone is like the bunch of consolidations happening. I call them as zones because these supports and bunch of support and resistance going to stop the price from moving further up, and it's going to push the price in the same direction. So I like to you know tell you like according with the volume and things happening in the market, you can select this particular consolidation, any one of this particular consolidation, and reduce your stop, enter into the market. For example, let's take a short position here. You can select this area. Depending upon the volume, you can do that. You can put a sell, or else you could select this area and then you can put TP here. Likewise, this is very simple and much effective method available in the market. I want you to follow me so that I can provide you with more ideas on this particular topic. Bye bye.